guys, magsuswimming kami ni Mahal. Diba?
Grabe guys.
So excited. This is belated celebration for his birthday and on time for me kasi August 10 today.
This is my fourth time guys na magsiswimming this year.
Yan, nakamalata kami. Anyway, mamaya na lang. Guys, we bought our cake.
Oh, di ba?
Tara, bili tayong food. Bili pa kaming food. Hi guys! So, we just arrived here. Ayan, gabi na guys. Gabi na kami nakarating. Dito kami sa Batangas City. Ayan. With my English accent. Batangas City. Ayan.
Hello guys.
Oh, medyo ginabi na. Sayang guys, sobrang ganda ng sunset kanina. It's golden sun. But, syempre, ganun talaga. Nakakasad. And, wala, hindi tayo nakaabot sa sunset. But hopefully tomorrow, we can enjoy the seascape. Actually, dagat guys, dagat. That is dagat. This is very beautiful in person. Di lang siya talaga makita sa phone. Of course, it's so hard to capture at night, you know. Ayun, a lot happened today actually. Grabe talaga nangyari, but we're thankful we will be able to celebrate our birthday. Tabi ako kay Matt. It is his 33rd birthday, but belated. That
Thank
last July 16, very much welcome. And my birthday on time, August 10 kasi today. And I'm 27 na! Tanda ako na!
Naka-bracelet kami guys.
Oo. Ay, nasa akin, dito sa kabila.
Pagka mga nag-iedad, ganito po ang bracelet ko.
Ayan guys, kita oh. Yan o yung baka.
Ganda.
Nandito kami sa 5th floor. Yan.
Para siyang ano, cityscape, no?
Ganda oh. Ganda niya.
Hindi, so sa ngayon, para siyang cityscape, pero katotoo, seascape yan.
Oo, seascape siya. Ayan o. Dagat yan guys.
Oh, diba ang ganda?
Tomorrow,
Eh, ganda.
tomorrow ay makikita natin yan. Of course, kasi maaga na. Gabi na kasi. Pero yan yun. Yan. So this vlog is simply our celebration for our birthday. And
Happy
actually,
birthday, mahal.
ano talaga?
Sa noo kasi.
That's... Yun. Actually, ang dami nangyari. Ayoko na lang ikwento. Di-disappoint ako. Wow! Pero okay lang yan. Ganun talaga. That's part of it. But, ayan. We'll update you. Ang ganda ng room namin, guys. Pero hindi ko napapakita. Natamad ako. Sige, bye-bye! Dapat mag-picture tayo. Ang ganda ko dito.
Ako ba?
Ha?
Ako.
Kopings!
Parang picture.
Ang layo nito sa Kabihasnan, guys. Biruin nyo, umalis kami sa Tanawan.
Nakabidyo ka ba?
2? 3? Oo. 3?
Ah, okay, parang yun.
2? Parang gano'n. Grabe, ganyan na kami nakarating. Anong oras na? 8?
Grabe, anong oras?
Layo! Anyway. Good morning, everyone. So, here's the view. Here in our room. So, guys, we are in the 5th floor. And, tiga, ang ganda-ganda ng view. My goodness. Ang ganda dito. Yan, guys. Good morning. Ganda, oh.
Good morning.
Para kami naka-green screen. Pero hindi yan green screen.
Ganda ng my birthday.
Ang ganda. Diba yan yung kagabi, di nyo makita. Yan siya.
Pero maganda, hindi rin namin makita.
Oo nga. Pero mas kita namin siya ng bahagya. Of course, we're here. But, here is it. Yan, magsa-sunrise na kasi. Dito yung sunrise, sa kabila yung sunset. So, kakain lang kami, guys.
Kaya, babaliktad rin itong damit ko. Baliktad yan.
Baliktad?
Yung,
Oo nga, no. Sige. Hi, mahal! Guys, oh. Tas doon, pool din yun. This is pool as well. Pool. And harap ng pool ay, oh my goodness. Dagat. This is so beautiful. Oh, lilibot ko kayo. Para kunyari, nandito rin kayo. Ayan. Volume up, guys. Volume up. Birthday to me. Yay! Here at Fifth Floor. With my mahal. Ganda ng tanawin.
Happy birthday,
Tapos
mahal
ang
ko.
gwapo niya.
Tingnan niyo
Happy
naman.
birthday din, mahal ko.
Thank you. Salamat sa Diyos.
Hi guys.
Happy birthday,
Kanta
mahal.
tayo. 1, 2, 3, and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
And it's his birthday as well. He's 32. So yeah, I'm doing
July pa yun, guys.
Happy birthday na. Again, his 33rd and my 27th.
Yes. Medyo melted na. So,
Melted na. Kahapon pa kasi ito guys.
ito kakakain. Ito gusto ko.
Uwi na kami. Saan ka pupunta? Uwi na kami. And we enjoyed our stay here.
Sobra guys, nakaka-enjoy. Rock your body.
Rock your body. Nag-tiktok kasi kami. Shadow kita dito. Siyempre doon pa bababa ka. Blah blah blah. Sige, bye-bye na. Habang nag-wait kami, dito kami sa dagat.
Guys, pauwi na kami.
Pakita natin yung dagat. Yan. May mga isla pa. Bye na. Bye-bye.